If you learn Russian, probably you know that English question why we translate into Russian like Зачем and Почему. And this is the difference between these two questions, Зачем and Почему. By the way, this is the paper. It's very tiny difference between these two questions, Зачем and Почему. But I will do my best to explain to you this difference for you. Question Зачем and Почему have almost the same meaning. However, in the context of different expressions and sentences have some difference. Foreigners often confuse these two questions, Зачем and Почему, and very often use Russian question Почему instead of the Зачем. If you make these kind of mistakes, please don't worry about it, because it's natural. Because out of context, these two questions have the same meaning. Just remember that Russian question Зачем is the goal, is the aim. Russian question Почему is the reason. For example, why did we come here? Зачем мы сюда пришли? What the goal? What the aim? I ask you, I ask myself, what the goal, what the aim? Why did we come here? Зачем? Зачем мы сюда пришли? What the goal? What the aim? Or with the Russian question Почему? Why are you so sad today? Почему ты такой грустный сегодня? Почему ты такой грустный сегодня? What the reason? Why are you so sad today? What's the reason? With the Russian question Зачем? Why did you hate him? Why did you hate him? What the aim? What the goal? Why did you hate him? Or with the Russian question Почему? Why are you mad at him? Почему ты на него обиделся? Почему ты на него обиделся? What's the reason? Почему is the reason. What's the reason? Why are you mad at him? Почему ты на него обиделся? There are different sentences and expressions in Russian language where we have only reason. For example, this kind of sentence like why is the sky blue? We translate into Russian like почему небо синее? Почему небо синее? What's the reason? Only the reason. We can't say in this situation about aim, about goal, because what the goal? Why is the sky blue? What's the reason? Therefore we use почему. Почему is the reason. Or take very interesting example to explain to you this difference between these two questions Зачем and Почему. Why did you hurt your brother? Почему ты обидел брата? Почему ты обидел брата? What's the reason? I have answered this question. Because I was mad at him. Потому что я разозлился на него. Because I was mad at him. Потому что я разозлился на него. Or we can say a little bit differently with Russian question Зачем? Why did you hurt your brother? Зачем ты обидел брата? Зачем ты обидел брата? What the aim? What the goal? And of course I have answered this question so that he would be afraid of me. Затем, чтобы он боялся меня. Чтобы он боялся меня. So that he will be afraid of me. Чтобы он боялся меня. The aim, understand? You see that I took the same question, like why did you hurt your brother? But with different questions, Зачем and Почему. And I perfectly understand you that for native English speakers, these kind of sentences and examples very difficult to understand it. But I'm sure that native Russian speakers understand it very well, and we do it automatically. Understand? We even don't think about it a long time. We do it automatically. Like, I mean, почему or зачем? Почему or зачем? We do it automatically in our head. Understand? Native Russian speakers understand it very well, like automatically, like this. At the end of this video, I want to tell you that when I prepared this video, Of course, I try to find out information about this difference between these two questions like Зачем and Почему, and even people from Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, I mean native Russian speakers, don't understand how to explain this difference for native English speakers. As for me, I also don't imagine how to explain you this difference. I hope you understand even a little bit in my video, from my video, because I really did my best to explain to you this difference. Because I repeat one more time that the difference between these two questions like Зачем and Почему is so tiny, like this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, support me, put like, write in comment under this video your questions for me. I promise I will answer all your questions, and bye bye.